Now we're gonna step into my Aquablast 1215 cabinet from Vixen Surface Treatments. I love this thing. Pop that in.
Goodbye, rust. Done.
Now the valve covers. All right, that turned out pretty good. Just finished blasting all of these parts and they look fantastic. Now we're gonna go ahead and blast these disgusting parts, especially this one.
Just like that, brand new. I love this thing.
This is the most satisfying part.